Hello everybody, this is Lorenzo from Bulluga, and today I'm going to teach you how to use our AI Notes feature. From the dashboard, click the Notes button on the left side. From here, click AI Notes. This is where you'll be able to handle all of your AI notes. You have two options. You can click Create Recording or you can upload. If you want to create a recording, click Create, then click this mic button, and now you'll be recording. You'll be listening to your microphone. Then you click it when you're done recording, click Save, and then when it's done, click the X. Here's your new recording. Click Transcribe to start the transcription. You'll get an email once the transcription is done, and then you can use that transcription. For this tutorial, we're going to upload a transcription. So click New, then we're going to paste our transcription. Or you could upload an audio file, but we're going to paste a transcription. Once you paste it, click New. Now we have a few buttons we can click. We can click Search. Here you'll be able to search anything in the text or any questions you have. So I was right, what was this about? Then using AI, it will tell us what this meeting was about and give you a summary or whatever. We also have summarize and bullet points. If you click bullet points, you'll get brought to this page. Here it's just like creating a regular note. You can edit this and you can do whatever you want to it, and then you can create and they'll add it to your notes page. You can also click this button, which creates an infographic. This infographic makes it very simple and easy to digest everything from the meeting. We have the agenda, discussion points, action items, and highlights. I encourage everybody to use this feature on bulluga.com.